Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is Alan from INTRAQuotes. I am recording this on a Monday, the beginning of a new week. Before we start, let's choose which pair to trade. For that, we will add the FX correlation matrix indicator to the chart. It will tell us which pairs are correlated to each other so that we can choose our symbols quickly during a busy session. Since I am recording this during the American session, I'll check some USD pairs. Here GBP USD is giving a positive correlation signal with Euro USD. Let's check GBP USD then. Adding IQFX Gann levels indicator. Gann levels have been plotted on the chart instantly. Here we can see that the market has initially been in a range, but supported by this interim level. Then again, after hitting the same interim level here, 1.29629, it went directly up to touch the next interim level. That's approximately 30 pips right there. After getting resisted by the top interim level, now it is coming down and we can expect the market to touch this level again or reverse and touch the level above it. Currently, it is bearish. Next up, Euro USD. The market reacted here on these interim levels. This indicator is an absolute gem for both scalping and intraday trading. It reached this level, so again around 25 pips right here. After getting resisted by this interim level, now it is falling again. Since we've chosen these pairs using the FX correlation matrix indicator, and they were positively correlated, we know these pairs will show similar trends, so if you open a trade, you can gain profits simultaneously from both trades. Let's check some other pair now. Euro AUD supported by Gann level here and went bullish up to this interim Gann level. If we opened a trade here from this Gann level, we could have earned some 32 pips easily. And for some quick scalp here from this Gann level to this level, 16 pips. Let's check USD CAD 2. Wow! See how amazingly this interim Gann level acted as a support here, reacted at every Gann level. From one Gann level to another. Without this indicator, would you still be able to know how far the market could have gone bearish? If we add Hydra indicator to it, look at this. The dashboard is all green with bullish signals on both short and midterm. We can expect it to reach the interim level of 1.36751. If we used Hydra and Gann levels together, this trade would have been so interesting. Clear signal for a great scalp. Hydra confirmed the trend, and the IQFX Gann levels told us the target interim level. Here's an updated video. It has reached the interim level of 1.36751. The levels have now shifted because the interim trade levels adjust automatically based on the Gann time cycle calculation. To keep you updated with the latest market conditions, if you liked our video, subscribe to our channel for more. All the indicator links are given in the description. For any query, comment below. See you in the next video. Happy trading!